Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Teja and you are watching Tech Support. Today we are going to discuss topic about networking. What is networking? So with just one click you are going to access the internet, right? Behind that there is a lot of mechanism involved. First, if anyone asks, "Hey, what type of network you are using?" I'm using local area network. You have to say it like I'm using local area network. According to your requirement, internet service provider is going to provide one IP address to you. So through this IP address only, the communication from a remote device to the data is going to transfer from there to your device through this IP address only. Then when it comes to the data is available in the form of packets, guys. On internet, data is available in the form of packets. And another question raises here, what is that? Why how the packets are arranged? Packets are arranged by protocols. Actually, protocols are the set of rules which process the data in the form of packets. Okay, we'll deeply discuss what are the protocols in the next video. And what is the use of router? See, I'm using 4 devices at present from my end. So for these 4 devices, only one IP address is provided by the internet service provider. Now, how I am using 4 devices by only using one IP address? Then router comes into the picture. Okay, the next one. What is IP version 4 and IP version 6? Why we are using 2 IP addresses? Suppose if you want to know your IP address, just go for the run and type CMD. Through CMD you are going to open command line interface. A terminal window is going to open. You just type the IP config. See, the results appeared. Through IP configuration command, you are going to know your IP version 4 address. See, here is my IP version 4 address. And there are a lot of technologies. What is subnet mask? What is default gateway? These things we are going to learn furtherly. Now we are going to confuse if I'm going to introduce all those things. The next one, what is subnet? Subnet is also a IP address, guys. It will look like a IP address, but it's entirely different from this IP address what we have discussed earlier. And when it comes to the national interface card, so you have a question, right? A lot of queries is rising in your mind. How the devices are recognizing, how the data is transferring from one device to another device to a specific destination. So then the national interface card comes into the picture. Actually, national interface card is a hardware IP address. Is a hardware IP address. See, the internet is going to utilize this IP address and it is going to transfer the data to a specific device. Okay, actually national interface card is already embedded in your laptop or a computer or your mobile device. Okay, and the next one, what are the types of protocols? Protocols plays important role in the networking, guys. There is a lot of protocols. So actually for each and every communication of the data, protocols are involved. Okay, when comes to the OSI model and TCP IP model, actually these are the networking layers for the data transfer purpose. What is DNS? Domain name system. We know guys that a computer can only understand binary language, but we are providing a name called www.google.com to access to search our whatever we are going to search on the internet. We are providing the name, but how the computer is going to understand this name in a binary form, that we are going to discuss in the next video. What is domain name system, how it works. Thank you. These are the topics for the day, and I'm going to create architecture for each and every terminology so that you can easily understand in the next video.